मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग। याकूब, 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 याकूब। It's 8 a.m. Time to wake up. Yeah, 8 a.m. It's breakfast is getting ready. You can wake up now in some time. दोस्तों ये है देखो देसी ब्रेकफास्ट। इसमें दयाराम जो है घर से नमक और मिर्ची मिला के ले आए हैं। नमक और मिर्ची है ना जी?
हाँ,
नमक मिर्ची ले आए हैं। और ये जो है कल जैसे हम लोग ने आग में कंडे में जो है क्या कहते हैं लगाई थी भरता और वो सब बनाया था भटा भटा, वैसे ही जो है हम लोग आज आलू है तो इसको अपन आलू को अब छीलेंगे और नमक में ऐसे धीरे धीरे करके खाएंगे। हम आपको दिखाते हैं। छीलो, एक दिखाओ। ये ऐसे भुंजा हुआ, इसको बोलते हैं भुंजा हुआ आलू, मतलब रोस्टेड इंग्लिश में। ये ऐसे आलू हम लोग छील रहे हैं और इसको नमक में टच करके खाते हैं। तो ऐसे जो ये आलू होते हैं ये हम लोग वैसे तो अगर फुल फॉर्म में आ जाएं तो हम लोग फिर किलो से ही खाते हैं। हर हिसाब का, हर इंसान का हिसाब पे क्या 2-2, 3-3, 4-4 किलो से लगता है। बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, वेरी टेस्टी। और इसमें कंडे में ही सेकने में इसको मज़ा है। ऐसा नहीं कि आप कहीं भी इसको आग में सेक दो और वो कर दो, उबाल दो, ऐसा। तो उबले हुए अलग रहते हैं, भुंजे हुए अलग रहते हैं। तो ये भुंजे हुए रोस्टेड देखो ऐसे दिख रहा है, दिखाओ हल्के से। ये ऐसे उग गए, ये ऐसे सॉरी भुंज गए हैं ऐसा। अब इसको अपन इतना ही खा लेते हैं और बढ़िया टेस्ट आता है रोस्टेड वाला, तंदूरी टाइप का है। लो भैया आलू गैंग, चीयर्स। बहुत ठोक। अभी जो है याकूब उठ चुके हैं और हम लोग सब नज़ारे ले रहे हैं याकूब के। याकूब इज़ देयर डूइंग सम योगा इन द मॉर्निंग, तो हम लोग उनको बस ऐसे कैप्चर कर रहे हैं। How did you sleep?
Pretty good.
Mosquitoes?
It started raining.
Yeah.
But otherwise it took me a while to fall back asleep. But fine. Fine.
You just dip it, you know. Because when you have them hot, you can't eat them that fast. You'll have to take a small bite every time. It's good. All right, guys. So it's now 10 a.m. 10 a.m. or 11. What is it? 10:30 a.m. and now we are leaving for the village. Now we're gonna take a round with Yaakov and meet everyone in the village and go to the temples nearby. So we are leaving the farm right now. I don't know if we are coming back in the evening or not, because Yaakov have one more day today. He'll be leaving tomorrow. So either we come back here or check in a hotel in the evening in the city. So currently it's pretty sunny. We have taken bath and everything, and we are trying to move the car as well. Car is nearby only. Me with Yaakov, we are going to the temple. So these are the walls I was talking about. These walls, Yaakov, these walls are made up of mud and no bricks at all. So they are very cool in summers, and then in winter also they provide good insulation.
Nobody works.
Yeah. So these what do we say? Khappar, you see. We call them the khappar in English. In Hindi, sorry. Like sheds. They're made up of small stones, right? In Finland also, like the cottages you were explaining, they also have the rooftop like this, right? Yeah. Upar, oh, it's a bed. It's a bed. You're supposed to sleep on top of it.
Nice. Very creative.
So the bed you saw is made up of cow dung, not just cow dung. They like mix cow dung with the bhusa and all the things that cow eats,
Yeah.
all the byproducts, and then they make a bed out of it. So because like if you have some guest or somebody, if you want to sleep outside in the summers, you can just sleep on them. And if you sleep on the what do you say, bamboo, then it's like up and down. It's not so straight for the not good for the back. So they make it like plain. Crazy. We have reached the temple.
This is the oldest temple of the village.
So like we usually guess it from the age of the tree, you know. This tree that you see at the back is like too old. This tree. So by the width of the tree, you can say like how old this tree must be. Maybe more than few hundred years. So that's how all the, what do you say, gurus and gurukul, they used to teach here. So this is basically like our attendance to the god, that you know we are here. So we just ring a bell and just to tell them that we know we are here. It's our attendance. So every time you go in any of the temples, Hindu temples, you'll see this bell.
What can you tell me about this painting? Is there some story behind the
Yeah.
painting?
Yeah.
Like, I think the paintings are very beautiful, you know. Like, is there some story behind this painting?
Yeah, these are all the gods, and as we imagine.
What's that?
She is my aunt, second aunt.
Oh, good to meet you.
So,
Like, especially this one looks very somehow symbolic. Huh?
this
Can you
god,
tell me what's happening?
this god is the type of god. She's like Shiv. No, Shiv is Vishnu. So there are basically three main gods. Starting is Trimurti. First one is the Vishnu. Second one is the Brahma. He usually is depicted with a beard, with a big beard and with lot of faces. How many faces?
4.
4 faces.
There is a story behind it, like when there are 3 gods, Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh. Mahesh means Lord Shiv.
Shiv.
So
Basically, the creator, the maintenance guy is Vishnu,
Yeah.
who looks after how things should work, and the Shiv is the
Destroyer.
He destroys the world. So there are 3 major gods, and then all the other gods are their descendants, like that. So here in the story, this is how we see Lord Vishnu sitting in the sea. He has a snake. This is a snake, many serpent snake.
Oh.
He's in the sea, so it's almost majorly most of the time rainy. So the snake is with his head is covering Lord Vishnu, and it's his wife like doing like a regular seva, pressing legs or talking and chit chatting. So this is how they usually stay in this form. Usually he's on a lying pose, like he's laying down. Brahma is the creator. You see this? Yeah, he's sitting on a lotus, and this lotus stem is going in Vishnu's belly button. So Brahma is born from Vishnu's belly button, something like that.
yeah,
Yeah, and he is the creator. So like how when kids are born, they are attached to the what do we say, with the pipe, food pipe to the mothers, right?
Yeah.
Similar way they are attached to it. So that's why he is called the creator. So basically he creates universes, and then they go in cycles and cycles. So I told you about the yuga, right? One yuga has so many crores of years, millions of years.
Yeah.
In yugas. Then there are 4 yugas, and we in the last
Yeah.
yuga. Then the cycle repeats. And then, like this, let's say a cycle is going on, and there are different cycles going on.
so have you heard about the multiverse? Like,
Yeah.
so it's happened in our mythology, like,
Mythology. So like we are in one verse, right? On the one yoga is going on, and then there's another multiverse. So he is the creator. From his powers, he creates many multiverses, many universes, and then they are all existing at the same time.
Okay.
And he makes sure that all the universe has life. And then Shiv is the one, like after the last yuga, we're in the last yuga, right? This is the yuga where people cheat, people lie, and people, try to dupe each other and live a very, like a nasty kind of life. In the previous yuga, there used to be all positive, nobody could tell lies and stuff like that. Then at the last yuga, then Shiv is going to come and destroy everything. And the universe will end. And then it will continue in another universe. But it takes like billions and billions of years. If you like look at the mathematics, it will make sense, but it's a like whole lot of big numbers.
Like we will be not there at that
We will
moment.
be not there. We are just 100. We have 100 years max or 80 years.
Interesting. Thank you. What about this particular depiction with the sea and the snakes and like is there some and he like Vishnu also has the same kind of weapon as Hanuman. Is it the same?
His sacred weapon is here. So you can see he has 4 hands for now. This is the Shankh. Is supposed to make a loud noise. It's like a horn. It's like a seashell. Seashell, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, seashell. If you blow a seashell,
So has Vishnu has like a connection with the sea in general?
Vishnu lives in sea.
he lives in the sea. So this
Ocean,
is his
ocean.
Basically, resting pose.
Oh,
So
that's
whenever
what
we
it is.
imagine any god, how is he right now? What is he doing? So we imagine them like this. Vishnuji is laying down with it. So even if any of the TV serials you see, if you see any TV serials, Vishnuji would be depicting it like this.
So there are many stories to fully describe the whole picture because there are many stories of Ganesha.
Palat lo? Bolo to palat lo?
Yeah. So
Okay. This is his weapon.
Sudarshan Chakra it is called.
What does it do?
It's basically a steel plate, as you can see, with what do we say, spikes towards it, and it's like revolving. So whenever he basically chops off people's heads.
Wow.
Whenever he's angry,
These gods are fucking cool, bro. No, really. I like it.
once he leaves his Sudarshan Chakra to somebody, to any demon or anybody he wants to chop off, he himself like cannot stop him. Only once he completes his stuff,
Task.
it will come back.
Yeah.
So once he leaves his finger, then it's like it will complete chop off the head and then.
Hell yeah.
yeah.
That's cool. So as there are gods, there are demons as well.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Well, what are some of the most known demons?
There are many. I will tell you afterwards. But there are so many.
कोई राक्षस का नाम बताओ.
Mahishasur. All the monsters, like in Hinduism, they just pray to meditate to Lord Shiva, and when the Lord Shiva get happy, he provides the things that anyone wants. So the monster gets his power. He asks for the Shiva to give him the power to be the immortal. So every monster has their unique powers. Like there's a monster called what is it called? Bhasmasur. Like he gets the power if he touch anybody from his head, he get into the ashes. So there are many stories. And there is a story to kill the Mahishasur. The Lord Vishnu take another bird and into a lady. So they convince Mahishasur to take his palm in his own head, and by trick the Mahishasur put his hand into his own head and he just become into the ashes.
Himself.
Yeah.
So they're like, you have to trick the monsters because they become so powerful. They ask for so much wishes when they meditate and the god is happy. Like, so they meditate and then the god get happy and then they ask for such blessings that it's like a trouble for the gods.
Society, peoples.
Is that also why people that meditate and worship the gods is to ask for blessings?
Yeah.
Yes, till now also.
Till now also to remove from all these sins and to get into the heaven.
So right now in this yug, we live for 80 years, right? People before, before previous yugs, the last, let's say 2 billion years ago, or let's say something like that, people used to live a lot longer. 500 years, 1000 years, like that. They used to have lifetime like that. Lot more than that, yeah.
Like the saints used to meditate 100 years.
Yeah. So they used to meditate for very long years. They don't even move. Like they used to just sit for 100 years straight away in a cave. That's why all these Mount Kailash and all these trekking places are banned, you know. You can never go up there barefoot but you sometimes see monks and stuff meditating over there, having built temples and
Holy place.
yeah, they are super holy places that it would take
They get the energy, they get the vibe, so they can just concentrate on the Lord Shiva. So they just feel it, the Lord Shiva is around us.
He's holding is the stories in Hindi. So then they are basically, the family has decided to, let's say, praise this god. They are listening to a particular god story, right? And it will take few hours to complete the entire book. They complete it with 10 days in one go. Yeah. Here's all the incense sticks and the mango tree leaves you see, and then the flowers we have it in the village and stuff like that. This is bullock cart. Bullock used to pull it, and we used to have a lot of like whatever you wanna carry.
It's ancient. Is it still being used?
No, I don't think so. So in the morning we were talking about like how in the village there used to be bulls, because before people used to use bullock carts.
Yeah.
But now there are less bulls because there are modernized vehicles. So people like now, whenever if a bull is born, they like grow up a little bit, then they leave them in the jungle because they can't take care of the bulls now because they're not being utilized.
So the bulls are just chilling in the jungle?
Yeah, bulls are like chilling, grazing.
Jungle bulls.
Yeah, maybe being snacks for somebody else. Who knows?
I like this. I like the aesthetics of this temple. With the tree and the red color. Very beautiful.
Yeah. You see mostly temples are around the trees.
Oh, there's a snake.
Yeah.
Kahan?
Snake.
Inside?
Just
Snake also and fishes are also there.
You can see the fish. Oh yeah, it's slithering there. Ooh, it's a head. I can see the snake's head.
how can there be fish living there?
I don't know.
How did the fish got in there?
Namaste.
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 Meet you.
He's my uncle.
अच्छा.
How deep is the well, like the water?
कितना गहरा होगा? कुआं? गहराई? 30 फुट, 30 feet.
30 feet.
Like from the water surface down.
पानी के तल से कि total? Total. Like from here, if you start from the ground level, it's 30 feet down. Total. Yeah.
So people drink that water or just use it to wash?
Yeah.
They drink it. Acha, here's Panchayat.
Ground.
The water that we were drinking from the well only. That we were drinking. It was from the well only. Our well is like, this is like more of a public well because it's in the middle of, everyone can like take water from it. You know how to take water from it? You see those rods? The
Fully like.
pulley?
Yeah.
The round pulley. So they use a rope.
Yeah.
They put it on the pulley and then they put a bucket at the bottom and then they take the bucket down and take it out. They pull it out.
Yeah, I've seen this system.
Yeah.
Go in here?
Yeah. We are visiting Gram Panchayat. This is the office?
Office.
Yeah. The
All the meetings of the village.
are held here.
There's some like official things.
Yeah. This is the government office of the village. Like the head of the village where everything is conducted, all the activities. This is that.
I like the color.
Yeah, it's generally pink only. It's the government's color. I think these two are offices for particular people, and then this is for the general public. So if let's say you have a problem in the village, like let's say somebody killed your cow, or you had a fight with somebody, you usually come here and then you put the complaint.
So you don't call the police?
There's no police here. Police is on a higher level in hierarchy. Police will come from a different area, like few kilometers away.
Okay.
But they'll have to raise the complaint. Or let's say it's a cultural issue, or let's say it's not aggressive issue. Normal dispute between two people.
Oh, really?
Yeah, between two houses, let's say. They come here, they solve the issue. This is like for the panchayat. and all the records, you know, and also from the government side, the houses are allotted to people, which on villages, which side the houses should be built more, and the funds, how they should be distributed, and that's always decided over here.
And this is the Anganwadi. Here we can also do auntie will be there.
Oh,
This is the small
for the kids,
body cake.
for all the kids to learn. You wanna see the kids? We can go in if you want. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
So the children get the midday meals like
Midday meals.
so the people come here to get the basic knowledge.
Yeah, I know.
Kindergarten, right? Yeah. Kindergarten, they get the meals. They get the meals and food all from the government for free. Here. ये क्या बना रही हैं? बिड़ी? Bidi? We had bidi, right? She's making bidi.
Can I see?
But it needs to be. So this is the leaves from the tree. Now they will dry it up. It's like a long process. कितने दिन लगते हैं? 8 to 10 days. This is how they make, and then they'll roll it and stuff. It's like a full heavy 15-day
So now it's
production house.
How much will be of this? How many cigarettes are there made from this?
One from each leaf. एक पत्ते से एक बीड़ी बनती, फिर एक से दो from one leaf to two बीड़ी.
That's cool.
All right, चलो. We are very tired, a little tired because of the sun, and now we are just cooling down, and then we'll move to the next destination, to the temples. Temples are gonna be really hot. I think so.
No, it is on the mountain peak, so
Mountain top. It's,
yeah, like a little wind.
mm.
I see. There's a lot of pupils. 800.
Yeah. You want to see some classrooms?
Sure.
Yeah. कोई classroom खुला है? Any classroom open?
These are employees in my school. Who is most beautiful?
I can't answer.
No. You identify, please.
No, I can't.
No.
I
You are
appreciate,
precise.
I appreciate beauty and all this.
All
I believe life is always good.
So,
So I
beautiful, handsome. You handsome person. Handsome to
From the male people.
No. I am only handsome.
चलो अच्छा लगा भाई मुझे इनको खिलाओ नाश्ता पानी
Yes.
And it's all there, like you cannot avoid it, right? Like you can see all sides of life, and that's what I like the most. The variety, I would say. It's so different, so huge, so much to see in culture and also in nature. So I feel like all the time I'm seeing new things, but all the time I am seeing new things, experiencing new things, meeting different people from different cultures, and even within India, like there's huge variety between the people, like where you go, and you know that better than me. You know, like different dialects, some different languages and stuff. So this
But they
is
are
what
united. But they are united. So
yeah, for sure. But this is what I would say is what I like the most. So basically everything.
All right, so our school tour is complete. How are you feeling about the school?
No, just when we went to the school, so I guess no, you took footage there, right?
Yeah, I do.
So I just went to meet them, like the whole staff, right? And when I went there, I was kind of thinking like, what am I doing here, like, kind of, so like, what is the point, kind of?
Yeah.
Why am I coming? Like, am I just gonna show myself? Am I just gonna be like, ta-da, here I am.
Here I am.
Yeah.
I don't know why I'm here.
But there is a reason. Like, I just want to portray that it's an interesting feeling. Okay?
Yeah.
Because like I'm just naturally as normal as anyone else. You know, like, I'm just living my life here. But the thing is, we're just talking about it that there is a reason and there is a meaning in that. People just want to like see it. And it is. I think it's impossible for me to empathize with it because I've grown up. Well, because you know, I can see them like every day I go when I live. I see people from different cultures, different skin colors. Of course, mainly Finnish people, but still, it's not like a super exotic thing, you know. But yeah, I guess there is some meaning in that. You know? I really think there is.
Now you see it.
Yeah, like I think it's important. Diversity in this world and experiencing it, and I think it's good to see that I am in fact just human. I'm here just like anyone else. You know? Interesting.
Yeah. हेलो गाइस वेलकम टू पार्ट 2 ऑफ द डे। हम लोग आ चुके हैं ज्वाला देवी मंदिर जो कि है जलंधर करके गांव में, नहीं जलंधर करके पहाड़ में। तो इस पहाड़ का नाम है जलंधर और हम इस पहाड़ के ऊपर अभी आप देख सकते हैं हम चढ़ चुके हैं। और यहाँ पे ये मंदिर है हनुमान जी का और देवी जी का मंदिर है जो भी हम अंदर जाने वाले हैं, विजिट करने वाले हैं। एज यू कैन सी हम लोग वी आर ऑन द माउंटेन टॉप ऑफ द टॉपेस्ट प्लेस। दिस इज कितना, let's say 35 kilometers, so 5 kilometers we went into the mountain side from the main road and now we are here. This is the premises, the temple. So these poly bags you see, they're tied up. These are for the wishes. Like at some places I've seen in foreign countries, they put up a lock
Yeah.
with the key, right? They throw away the key. For the wishes. So similar way they tie the incense sticks, polybags here. This is called mahur. Dude. Heavy. जय ज्वालामाई, जय ज्वालामाई।
सभी लोग जो आए कहाँ से हैं?
फिनलैंड।
फिनलैंड से। बहुत अच्छा।
So the history is that she is from the 10th or 12th century, and these kind of murti. You understand murti, right? मूर्ति को क्या बोलते हैं? The sculpture.
तो चिंता काय की।
What does this mean?
It means. Let's go.
धन्यवाद बोल रहा है।
Let's go. So you feeling you should stay at the temple?
Yeah, no, I think it's a good idea. Like, it's a vibe. Look at this view. But yeah, just in general, because I met other travelers, like bikepackers, for example, that say that they often stay at the temple. They just go ask at the temple and usually.
Yeah, we can stay. Yeah, because you have your tent and stuff. That's a good option that you can
many
do.
places in the bigger cities, they even have like a separate room for travelers.
Yes.
Yeah. Jajuala,
जय ज्वाला माई की
Mikey,
तो चिंता
Tachinta
काई की.
Mantra.
Yeah, no, not some mantra, just a what is like a hurrah, you know. Snacks for later. We have Mumbali, we have puri, we have sabji, we have plates and papad. क्या कहेंगे मुंबई आ जाए. Yeah, peanuts with the cover. Guys, so we had completed our lunch and we had puri, sabji and everything. And now it's time for some snacks. So we are having peanuts, roasted peanuts. We got some from home and some. Oh. Ah, yeah.
We throw away the
spice. Yeah, the spice. I didn't throw. Who threw? कितने फेंकी last में? We had a mini heart attack. Now we have the chutney special, peanut special, namak over here, salt. Let's see how it is. It is. This is peanut special chutney slash namak, which we are gonna dip. इसमें पानी मिलाना है? हाँ. नहीं, we are gonna eat it. Just taste with the peanuts. Hello. Yes. How is it? You had?
But I didn't taste it.
You break it like from the. Okay. Now you need to learn to break peanuts. You don't break it like sideways. You break it like horizontally. Oh, sorry, vertically. Guys, we had some good lunch and some good chit-chatting over the temple, and I think Jakob also enjoyed the temple experience.
Yeah, no, it's a cool temple, and where it's situated is very nice.
Yeah.
And the story is also pretty interesting.
Yeah, and you're looking forward to stay in more temples throughout your
Yeah, I've
tour.
heard this. Yeah, people. I had the people tell me that it's a good thing, good way to find like cheap or free places to stay.
To stay
You
overnight.
just go to
yeah.
the temple and ask.
Yeah.
And even if you can't stay there, I would think that they would be helpful. You know?
Yeah, right.
There's just a slight language barrier, but I'm sure it'll
Yeah,
sort
yeah,
itself out.
Yeah, it'll work out. It'll work out.
Yeah.
ठीक है, मजा आया सबको?
हाँ, ठीक.
Full enjoy. चले? Now we are moving to Sagar.
Yeah.
Going to Sagar, we need to get some work done. All right. Both of them.
So good to meet you, man.
फिर से मिलेंगे. Hope to see you again.
Back in traffic. Back where it's happening, you know.
Yeah.
Have to go play some pool today.
Yeah.
Bike service.
Now we get back into the machine world.
Yeah.
हम लोग वापस सागर आ चुके हैं. We are stuck in traffic. We are in the main city hub right now. How do you like the mangoes?
Oh, the mango that I had was fucking delicious. Bro, one of the
And
best
let
I
me
had.
tell you, the mango you had was not even ripe, you know.
Oh,
These are, it seems like, but you haven't had the real mangoes yet, because we even didn't start buying mangoes till now,
Oh.
because these are not the real ones, you know. I mean, the real OG mangoes.
Not much of tourism in MP as compared to other states.
Yeah.
Yeah, because some of the places are here very unexplored. Tourism is not, we do not have that much of footfall right now, but there are many places which are unexplored.
Exactly. Yeah. Exactly. So this is also a big appeal for me, you know.
Yes.
And but I've seen both because I was in Delhi.
So these are the Indian snacks we generally eat, and we expect like most of these houses to have them. These are made in a famous shop nearby. So starting with this is the rasgulla. It's made out of a gulab jamun. It's made out of a milk byproduct, and then it's processed, and then it's dipped into sugar, liquid sugar. That's liquid sugar, and then this is. No, you have had before? No. So this is mostly served in the Indian weddings as a sweet, as a dessert. I was talking about.
Delicious.
We just eat gulab jamun.
Rasgulla white one.
हाँ gulab jamun it's called. So we just eat it like one in one go only sometimes, and then we have laddus. Laddu, yeah, this is a very common sweet in India. Besan to nahi pata hoga. You know, we lentils, the dal we had, the lentil, we grind those, and then the powder is created, and from that powder these are built with sugar. This is also sweet, right? And this is also a sweet, but not sweet as this. This is a burfi. We call it a burfi. It's another kind of sweet only. बर्फी कैसे बनती है?
कई तरह की बनती है बेसन की
This is also like made out of the lentil. Yeah, the dal.
मिक्स वाली
The yellow lentil, babe, if you know. And then we have, this is also made out of same lentil. It's also besan, but this is spicy, little bit spicy. This is we use it as a snack to eat with our food, main food. Yeah, it's called sev, S-A-V, S-A-V sev. And then this is bundi. This is bundi kaise banti hai? This is also made out of same lentil, but this is again a different kind of sweet.
मीठी वाली है वो नमकीन वाली रायते वाली
Gonna have all the sweet stuff today.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you can have. You can take.
Are these different or the same?
A different. You see the color also is different. Shape also, but it's only a little bit different in texture. They'll be the same sweet, a little bit different in ingredient, the grinding method, the grinding of the level of grinding, if it's too fine or it's a little bit not fine, then these are the ones.
It's like a cookie, like kind of.
Yeah.
But not completely.
Yeah,
So you have this, cancels out the sweet.
it cancels out this too much sweet.
Then you can have more sweet.
Yeah, more. Yeah, big brains.
This one is good too.
Yeah.
That's true, it does cancel out the sweetness because
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
very sweet.
Yeah, it has. I think this is not made out of like a red pepper, which burns the stomach. It's made out of black pepper. If you look closely, it has black pepper in it, like in a grinded form. So that's why it's a little spicy on the tongue, only.
I feel it has that kind of black pepper.
Yeah, right. So these come in different sizes and different lengths, and the thickness also, and then it depends the spices how much ever you want.
Yeah.
Sweet and spice cancelling each other. ले उठाओ रसगुल्ले सब खाना है दो It's too full. चलो हसल up bug up boys. So full like gup
I will
अरे you play snooker and you play snooker with रसगुल्ला. चलिए.
You have polythene?
For what? ले इतना खाते बने. चलो एक खा ले रहे, एक तुम एक हम, ठीक है? I can tell you which way we came from, like this, from out of the city,
This is like the mountains that you are seeing. These are the boundary of our city. Yes, so you have to see it clearly. There's something about a good view. You never get tired of it, बहुत सुंदर है.
Oh, let's go. Sagar.
Okay, so we are come to the end of the day. It's evening. We've been out, we've been about, we've been at the temple,
Yeah.
we've been at the village, we've been driving. And so just thank you so much.
Yeah.
Fucking great. It's been fun.
It was a huge, like a big day.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Let's
finished
see,
everything.
We catch breakfast tomorrow before I hit the road again.
Yeah. So Jakob is now going to the hotel and he's gonna sleep, take rest, and then leave tomorrow morning.
Well earned rest.
Yeah. So we'll meet one more time tomorrow. But yeah, the vlogs end here. And best of luck, Jakob, for your upcoming journey.
Thank you so much.
This is the bike. This is the OG bike. Yeah. All right. See you, buddy.
See you.
That's how he rolls.
But I turned the stove, I came to Saga. I sent a message, I looked on CrowdStrike, okay. Is there anyone here?
Like really surprising to find. Like I was also surprised, you know. Like I don't get a lot of messages on couchsurfing, you know. So whenever if somebody I get a message from a random person, I just think how they got here, you know. Because it's not easy to like pass by here. I don't know. This is not a national highway or something. It's like there has to be some condition, you know, that they met to reach here.
It was actually fun to drive here. It was very nice. I like the roads.
Yeah. We have some fryums, some pakoras and rasgullas. Jacob is enjoying as in the breakfast today.
Yeah,
My mom.
Perfect.
I think now we don't need the samosas, right?
No, man, I don't think so. It's just perfect.
Yeah. So I just try to, you know, like record stuff, and I hope, like holding the camera like this in your face. I hope, yeah, it feels weird for you.
No, man, you were pretty good with it. But some people aren't, you know. Like,
खजुराहो से ही आ रहे हैं खजुराहो से होके आ रहे हैं
हम भी गए थे पहले, ये लोग छोटे थे तो आप लोग मतलब वहाँ तो रहते ही ज्यादा टूरिस्ट मतलब फोटो खिंचाई थी.
When we were little, she also went to Khajuraho. She took us to Khajuraho.
it's beautiful.
And I explained to her that you are coming from Khajuraho. She was recommending Khajuraho as a place.
छतरपुर में डाली है अभी.
In Chhatarpur we have relatives. It's nearby Panna National Park.
Yeah, it is. Have you been to Panna?
Panna National Park गए हो?
भैया गए
Yeah, brother went. It's usually like jungle safari.
छतरपुर मतलब काफी समय से नहीं गए तो खजुराहो पे ले गए तो वहाँ आप लोग के संग फोटो. पिताजी को बहुत शौक है ना, कोई भी टूरिस्ट मिलते हैं वहाँ पर सबके संग फोटो खिंचाते.
Father has a thing for the tourists. You know, he likes it very much. Like every other person here. So in Khajuraho, like they clicked a picture like many years back with some tourists.
हम इसलिए देख रहे हैं. हाँ,
She's just remembering all the past stuff and.
तो लेडीज भी है ना तो उन लोग के साथ फोटो भी खिंचाएंगे. उनको शौक है. बात इंग्लिश नहीं आती लेकिन हिंदी थोड़ा बोल लेते हैं. हम समझ लेते तो फोटो खिंचाएंगे सब कहीं कहीं.
ऑफिस में आ गए वो लोग. ऑफिस में मिलवाना.
मिलवाना
पूछ रहे हैं हम आपसे.
भैया से पूछ लो फोन से. नहीं यहाँ पे छोटा पेंट लेडीज घर में ही अपना हो रहा है और बाहर.
It's a factory I was telling you about. So there are only women workers.
Okay, really? What does the factory make?
Told you like shoe covers.
Oh, the shoe covers. Oh, I see.
Yeah, and there are other products as well. So based on their expertise, how well they are in stitching, we have the sewing machines. Then they sit on the sewing machine for 9 to 5.
I see.
Then they work. They're all from nearby areas only. So it's like kind of women empowerment. You know, we are providing some employment to the women who are not working, or they're like old age like herself. They're 50 years old, but they can start today.
नहीं पता. पहले अपना इसी रूम में था. बस छोटे थे सबको सब आते इसी रूम से स्टार्ट पूजा कला.
She started like 20 years back. She started educational kind of center. It was basically related to art and like these basic amenities like sewing. So she used to teach sewing in this room only. There was a board outside. Yeah, 20 years back there was a board outside. It was called Puja Kala Kendra. Puja is my sister's name. So Kala Kendra is like art center. Puja Art Center.
वो हमें
Monsoon season.
Yeah, I don't know if I should ride through the monsoon season or not, you know. But this is for sure a great product for that, you know.
Yeah.
Because
Pretty thick.
riding the whole day with wet shoes.
It's even like
bad,
it's
yeah.
even like dust proof and stuff, and you can wash it in the bucket at the end of the day and let them dry for the morning.
Yeah.
This is like pretty. We try to make it as useful as possible. Yeah. We tried for the heaviest one that can be, and it's detachable also. This is like it comes in 2 parts. So what do you do in the first time when you're wearing? You just take this part, like try to fit it in your shoe. It comes in different sizes as well based on your shoe size.
Yeah.
You will have to ask your size first and then fit in. Just fit in the shoe and then let it rest.
Yeah.
So the entire idea was that people usually wear poly bags and stuff,
Yeah.
So like how can we keep the shoe intact and the design also it should look good like look as shoe, you know, not like a poly bag. And the sole, it's open from the bottom for the sole. Because let's say if you're wearing expensive shoes, it has good sole. We don't want to just cover it with a polythene and just let you slide. So when you wear this of the correct size, your sole is basically open, exposed to the ground,
Yeah,
so that you can like walk properly.
yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice.
Yeah. This is the one. You wanna have it? You wanna take it?
Oh no, I can't just take it. I will let you know if I choose to ride the
Okay.
season.
Okay.
But I would have. Yeah, you know,
Come inside. Have like sit here.
people
Yeah.
people think it's very funny. I think I mentioned this. People find it very funny, like Indian people.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, when I show up.
In all the gears.
Yeah, yeah, bro. When I come with the Hero Splendor and I have the knee guards on,
Mhm.
so it's people usually go like this. And then they go like this. Like it adds to the. But the funny thing is that when you are in places where there's no tourists, like you can do pretty much anything.
Anything.
And they will assume that that's normal, you know, because they have no idea what you would be doing. So you know, you could be wearing a cape and I don't know, a mask. Or not a mask. But you know, you get the point.
Have
You
fun.
can- yeah. So they will probably just assume that this is what white people do. Like they
Oh.
just wear.
Right.
But I guess it is, you know, like but for us it's very
80% of India, you're like 80 or more. I don't know. You can just go around like just have fun.
yeah.
Yeah, because there's no tourist mechanism built in the city or in the local
Yeah.
area. They just don't know what to do. You just have to ask them for everything.
Yeah.
But normals like the eating, the sleeping and stuff like that, they're pretty aware. People are pretty aware.
Yeah, for sure.
But yeah, people usually think that you are very rich if you're American or if you're like from a foreign country. If you are basically white,
Yeah.
you are a lot of rich.
American.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's funny. Never been somewhere.
All right. Yeah, you kept your GoPro, right?
Yeah.
You wanna have a glass of water? Fill up. Yeah.
Never hurt anybody. It's an absolute pleasure.
Every time you say thank you, like I get emotional.
It's a thinking game on it. Every
Yeah.
time I say thank you. Oh, no, you wouldn't make it this way.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Coming to Finland soon.
Peace and love, man.
Yeah. This is the garbage guy. He picks up garbage. All right. Lights are on. You can turn off the light if you want. Take care. See you soon.
Take care, man.
Yeah. Bye bye. Bye bye. Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Alright guys, so Jakob just left Sagar and it's really nice thinking about the time we had. It was only one day, but it feels like a big time, like a week we spent together, did all the crazy stuff. Yeah, so best of luck for his journey, and this vlog ends here. And I hope he's safe and driving well around the country. And if you like this kind of vlogs, and I hope you're enjoying this kind of content, hosting a foreigner in Sagar, like let me know in the comments what you feel, or if I should have done something better for him. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and Jakob, best of luck for you. Bye bye. See you.